Hi guys, today I am making tomato Luhsun chutney. So it is like quite healthy. I add raw Luhsun in it, so it is healthy for the people who have cholesterol issues. So it can help in reducing the cholesterol, and also I use this chutney in various recipes, especially if as a pizza base, as a pizza sauce, because it gives a very authentic taste when you make pizza out of this sauce. So let's begin. You can even replace it with tomato sauce if you add a few lesson in it. Then it can replace tomato um, sauce in your kitchen. So I will switch on the kadhai and add some. I'm adding some mustard oil, but you can add any oil of your choice. Let it heat. So once it is hot, I have taken 6 small onions and cut them roughly, because I anyways need to grind it after I saute it. So I'll first saute it in the oil for some time. You may skip adding onion, you can directly add tomatoes, but I like it with onion. So I have added 6 small onions, roughly cut, and I will saute it for a minute or two. We'll add some salt. Now I will saute the onion very lightly. After it is done, I have taken 6 tomatoes that I have chopped roughly. So I'll add them also. We'll add some salt again. And I'll wait for another minute or two so that the tomato turns tender. It took me around 3 to 4 minutes to turn the tomatoes tender, and now they look fine. I will now switch off the flame and let them cool before grinding them with garlic. So let's wait until it is cool. Hi. So now the contents are cooled and I have transferred them in my mixer jar. Now for 6 small onions and 6 tomatoes, I have taken around 15 or 16 buds of garlic. Listen, I will add them for grinding raw. You can, if you don't like the raw taste of garlic, you can like saute it also along with onion and tomato, but raw garlic is more beneficial and it gives that authentic taste of pizza sauce. And I have roughly chopped 5 or 6 green chilies, so you can add more or less as per your taste into it. some white salt, some black salt, some ground powdered black pepper, and some red chili powder. Now I will grind these into a fine paste. It needs a little bit more grinding. And add some more black salt and a little bit of black pepper. So our pizza based sauce or garlic tomato chutney is ready. You can serve it with rice, chapati in lunch or dinner, or as a pizza base, and it is quite beneficial, especially for cholesterol problem. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my video. I'll keep posting more videos. Thank you.